In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview mobile layout in Base44. When you're designing a page or an experience in Base44, it's really important to make sure it looks good, not only on desktop, but also on mobile devices. Most users will visit your site from their phone, so checking the mobile layout is a key part of your review process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the mobile preview option and how to use it, so you can quickly see what your work will look like on a smaller screen. First, make sure you're already inside your Base44 editor with the project or page you want to review open. You should see the main editor interface with your canvas in the center and various options around it. At the top of the editor, you'll notice a toolbar that includes familiar icons such as refresh, save, and other controls related to how your project is displayed. To access the mobile preview, look closely at the top area of the editor near the refresh icon. Right beside the refresh button, you'll find an additional icon that opens the preview options. This is the one you want to click. It might look like a small screen, a device outline, or an eye icon depending on updates to the interface, but the key point is that it sits just next to the refresh control at the top. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you do, Base44 will open a preview mode that lets you see your layout as it would appear on different devices, including mobile. In this view, your content is presented inside a narrower frame that imitates a phone screen. This makes it easier to check how your text wraps, how images resize, and whether buttons and other elements remain easy to tap. Take a moment to scroll through the preview the way a real user would on their phone. Look out for any sections that feel too cramped, any text that becomes too small, or elements that get cut off near the edges. If you notice issues, simply switch back to the editor, make your adjustments, and then click the same icon again to refresh your mobile preview. Using this preview icon regularly while you build will save you time and help you avoid surprises later. That's all you need to do. From your Base44 editor, locate the icon beside the refresh button, click it, and review your design in mobile layout before you publish or share your work.